I am here at 25150 North Windy Walk Drive in Troon at Ballantree. When you walk up to this house, you come to a little gate, which then can lead to the backyard. Synthetic grass back there. And then you walk to the front door. You walk into the right, you have a bedroom or an office, whatever you want to make it out to be. Nice wood flooring. Got plantation shutters throughout the house. Nice large walk-in closet. Which they have another closet right here outside, and they said that some neighbors with the same floor plan have closed this in and made a large office, or have made this an extra large bedroom.
Yeah, she told me about those hot dogs, and she said, "Wait, they're offering at $2 a share, and they're going public at 26." She said, "Yeah, I can make $22 a share." I wish they're offered hot. Huh? I don't know if they're offered hot. If they offer to, maybe I'll see if I can. Well, if you guys don't want to leave the money, I will do it. I just can't get the money until I get the stock. What did you think that? Like, to lighten up what's going on. Okay, come here, guys. Come here. Gunner.
And a nice gourmet kitchen. Granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Electric cooktop. This is the flooring throughout. Stainless steel sink, nice and open, as if you were at the sink. You can still see the great room and the dining room. Laundry, little sink area. Epoxy coated garage floor. All the storage cabinets stay with the house. Extra side storage. Down the hall and go upstairs. They have tiled stairs, as you can see. Second bedroom upstairs has its own bath. tiled flooring in this bedroom. They have a carpet down. Got a couple stairs up to the master. Very large master bedroom. Fireplace. Definitely enough room for a sitting area. And then off the master's private balcony, you get your first views. This is a golf country club right here. The owner said that around 6:30 all these cars are gone, and it's really quiet. You can see far off there are wonderful views, and at night these would be amazing city light views. Get a little look of the backyard. The spa does stay a little grassy area, but that could always be taken up, and we can put some rock down. Got a nice fireplace outside. Built-in barbecue. And then we have the master bath. To the left we have a closet. Got his and her separate closets. To the right, a little bit bigger closet. All glass shower, really nice. Got a nice view of Troon Mountain. And the toilet. This is actually synthetic grass back here, so that's good, very low maintenance. And here's the view again.